this is Wendy Thoughts of Arts. Of course, I am back. It's been a long time that I haven't been back into my channel, but I am ready to get things started. Of course, I did a little bit of cooking and a little bit of math tutorials, and now I'm incorporating some vlogs, some daily lifestyle vlogs, and some inspirational videos. Get ready, and I'm just so happy to be back. I know, things, personal life happens, but of course I am back and I'm ready to get a lot of things started, and I've been busy networking with a lot of people. Shout out to Chen Design, he's part of the productions, and of course networking with other people. But Chen Design, he's part of my my channel, which he'll be doing a lot of things added into it as well. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again.
standing next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't